Okay, so I had to make this little 1-second video also. I had to take this clip off. This clip was wrapped around here, holding these cables in place. I had to take them off and move these cables in order to take my needle nose pliers, grab the hose, push it up, and then grip the clamp and open the clamp and open the clamp and put the clamp in place. I had to take this off to move these wires to do that. Now I'm going to put this back on. It was really easy to feed the gas tank through. It was already shaped, so I just put it here. I put it through here, and it came out around here on this side. And then I just pushed it down, bloop, and it went right in place, perfect. This looks good, it's nice and loose. I'll adjust this now while coming up eventually. But all of this looks good, everything's square and in place, nothing is touching, nothing is impeding anything, everything's good. So, oh, and I also, when I put this cable in, I had to re-run it underneath this piece. I opened this up and I put these two cables over top. I put this lip underneath, and then I had to run my sync cable. I had to pull it out and run it underneath this piece, this wire here. So it's underneath, and then it comes back down, and it fit right in, right down there, no problems. So when I'm done, I can close this off. This is the next thing that I'm going to do. I'm going to install this right now. This is my fuel. And that goes in over here somewhere, right there. Can you see it? That little tit, that silver brass tit right there in the center of the screen. That hose has got to go over that and clamped off, and it's going to run under here. It's going to run along here somewhere, and underneath and down and out and around and down that way. Kind of like this. It's going to come underneath here and come down and along here, and then it's going to connect, where are you, to that brass tit right there.